Hey guys, it's Fire Creeper, and today I'll be making another video, but sorry I haven't recorded in a long time. I just had stuff to do, but we'll be playing some Garry's mod. Yep, you heard of Garry's mod. Pretty cool game. Link in the description to download it, but it costs $10. So ask your parents. Alright? So yeah. Hang on. Alright. Sorry about the loading forever. Crap. See? Sorry. But I hope you guys had a happy New Year. It's been so long ever since for a New Year. But New Year's fast. But I'm saying happy New Year anyways. Alright? But if you're new here, like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. I subscribed. And you might get a subscribe back. Alright? So please do that. Let's pull up the gas station. Give me. What? What? Alright. One. Got one. Run! More, more. Right. I just blew up the whole entire gas station. I blew up the whole entire gas station. You see that smoke, guys?
It's green. It come out of my butt.
Sorry. Yep. I blew up the gas station.
Well, you got that right. It's called gas.
Wait,
Kyle, why'd you fart?
What the?
You, Kyle farted. Kyle farted.
And that was another nuke. But where did all the stuff went?
I did not pop it for me. No, you farted?
No.
Wait.
Trust me, you know if I farted.
No, Ashton farted. Wait, no, look.
Kill me.
Farted. Guys, Leva farted. Look.
Ah.
Leva farted.
Huh?
Ashton,
Be nice.
What's that?
Leva farted.
Now, why you blame it on the instant cat?
No.
Trust me, if it was an animal's fart, nobody would be awake. Because they are horrid.
Sorry, guys. If you're hearing that, this is my new family. Way bring out the cats if it's farting. But I don't like, cause that's my cat, and no one else. There we go. Bye! What? Die, die, die. Open. Ah. What's that over there? Is that Grandma's house? Yeah, that's Grandma's house. Nope. Alright. What happened to Grandma's house, guys? What happened to Grandma's house? Oh yeah, maybe I could blow it away from the nuke, guys. Yeah, I could blow it away from the nuke. Well, check out on the barn. Can I destroy the barn even more? They're coming over here. Nah, nah. It's not coming. It's not. But whip Grandma's house though. Right, guys? Put in the chat, comments down below. Hashtag whip Grandma's house. Hashtag whip Grandma's house. Because it's doing everything. Oh. Whip Grandma's house. Ooh, car. Let's drive it right into the tornado. Tornado. Wait. Don't disappoint me right now. I need you. Tornado, need you. Please don't go away. I want to get sucked up.
Tired of wrestling with seemingly impossible cleaning tasks? Using wipes in the kitchen and sprays in the bathroom can be ineffective. Try Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Simply add water and
Here I come, tornado. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah! Ow. Oh God. What's happening? What happened? Ow. Huh? What?
Being prepared is a part of who you are, but it's especially important in the case of a disaster. Be informed about possible emergencies.
Okay. I'm making my piece up and cool.
With a kit, with the things you need to survive. There's no one more capable of planning for your situation than you.
Okay.
Start your plan today. Go to ready.gov/myplan.
Up, up, up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
It addresses every skill that a child in kindergarten needs to learn. And I know that it works because I've seen the results. It's
What happened there? What happened? Guys, should we check it out? Here we go. What happened? Barely anything. Wow, that was crazy. And yeah, guys, that is for this video. Bye.